everybody, Jim King back out here in beautiful Lawrence, Kansas. We do a lot of work for the people here in Lawrence, and all of the people we've worked for are just really super good people, great people to work for. We have a historic home right here. The family that bought this house bought it for their daughter that goes to KU, and they got a little settlement here on the back corner of the house. So we're gonna go with 2 King Pier 2s, one right here and one right here on the other side. In the basement, we've got 4 vertical support beams with new saw cut footings on the floor that'll be 2 foot deep, and 2 by 2 at 2 foot deep concrete footings that the vertical supports will set on as we slightly raise the horizontal existing beam up there running through the center of the house, get it back to level. So for all your foundation repair needs, stay with me on this project. I believe we are the very best in the business. Check out all of our videos on YouTube and Facebook. For all your foundation needs, call me, 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.